Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the changing the order of integration. Let's we write down the given equation. Integration limits 0 to a and limits y to a. Equation is x by x square plus y square dx into dy. Here we have to change the order. Order means dx into dy. When we change the order, then limits will be changed. First of all, we take the old limits. This is x limit and this is y limits. Here x limit, x is equal to y to x is equal to a, and y limits are y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a. Here are the old limits. Using these old limits, we can create a graph. The graph, this is x axis and this is y axis. Here this is 0. In this, x is equal to y. X is equal to y means a 45-degree angle line will come. This line is called x is equal to y, and x is equal to a mean here x is here is a, consider as a, and y is equal to 0 mean here will come y is equal to 0 and y is equal to a. Here take y is equal to a. Then join this line. We obtain the space here, then shade this space. Now using this graph, we can take a new limits. New limits, we have to take first a small line to take a limits. Now x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a, and y limits here to here. Y limits are y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x. Here the new limits. Next we have to add the new limits in above equation. Then I is equal to integration of, when the limits change, then the order will be replaced. Change the order. Then we have to write first of all x limits. X limits are x is equal to 0 to a, and y limits are y is equal to 0 to x. Now equation x by x square plus y square. What order will be replaced? Dy into dx. Now this equation will be integrated by this. Then I is equal to x is equal to 0 to a. Now integration of this equation will be tan inverse of y by x. Tan inverse of y by x. Here the y limits are 0 to x. Remaining is dx. Now I is equal to x is equal to 0 to a. Now substitute the value in this. Then it will become tan inverse of x by x minus tan inverse of 0 by x to dx. Now it will become x is equal to 0 to a tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0 into dx. Now I is equal to x is equal to 0 to a. Here tan inverse of 1 value become pi by 4, and the tan inverse of 0 value is become 0. Now I is equal to x is equal to 0 to a pi by 4 dx. Now integrate equation using dx. Now it will become I is equal to pi by 4 into x of 0 to a. Now add the value into x. I is equal to pi by 4 into a minus 0. Now I is equal to pi by 4 into a. The final answer is I is equal to pi a by 4 is the final answer.
Thank you for watching our video, and do like, share and subscribe.